left at the garage. This is a family friend's boat. Then we've got our bed over there, and then this is our dining room table. So you can see we don't have that much stuff. This is the little crate that Lanka came to New Zealand in, and Alex's mom put a little photo on there and everything and wrote like a whole description. So cute. But I think that we're going to have more than enough room in this truck, which is fine and good. It's better to have more space than not enough of this kind of stuff. So here we go, packing some stuff up. Keep pulling. Now lay back. There we go. The bed. The most exciting part of this whole situation. Oh. He's a big boy. California kid. 3, 2. It's starting to rain. Okay, so the hardest part is already over, and it wasn't that hard. We have the dining room table and the bed in there, which are the 2 largest and heaviest pieces. And they're secure in there with some rope. This framed art piece set came all the way to New Zealand, and it has not broken at all, and I pray that it doesn't break on our way to our house right now. But customs had to open it, I think. They took all the packaging kind of off of it. So we have to figure out a way to get this to the house without it breaking. Look who's got his own little box. Monkey's gonna be happy to be reunited with some of his toys. These are the final moments. It is essentially done. Our boxes are not in here anymore. And there's just some stuff that's Alex's dad's and a board and like the crate that Lanka came in, but this, the hard part, a little wonky, is all finished. And then tomorrow we bring all this stuff to our home. It's a new day. It's the following morning. I feel like this whole vlog will probably be in this truck, but now I'll show you guys when we get home some unboxing of my own stuff. How exciting is that? That's like the best thing that I could get for Christmas this year. Little Lunky is napping already. Alex is being our MVP today. We will be on our way. We're gonna probably make it home by the afternoon, and then we can go straight to just taking everything out of the truck. It's raining today. We got really lucky with the rain last night. Literally the moment we got the last thing in the truck, it started to pour. It's kind of been pouring ever since. So we'll see how it is when we get home. But kind of have a plan when it comes to how we're gonna get everything in the house. So all is well, feeling good, feeling fresh, and we'll continue on. I wish I could just sleep everywhere I go, just like you, and just take naps all the time. He's been so cute and cuddly. I actually love him right here. It's like, can I just travel everywhere with him like this?
We need that sticker that says dog is my co-pilot.
Yeah, I want him to just be my co-pilot everywhere I go in life. Oh, you just bring me so much joy. And he loves it too. He's like, I'm on it. Like, if I can be right here next to you all the time.
I don't know how reliable of a co-pilot he would be though, because he'd be like, I need coordinates, and he'd be like,
He's just asleep all the time. We just got home. is kind of pouring pretty good right now. As you can see, a raindrop just fell on my nose. So we're doing this in the rain, my friends. That's okay though. We'll get through it. We've got our gum boots on, and like everything that we bring inside, we have to take our gum boots off at the door, and then kind of, you know, we've got towels and blankets down. So not ideal. We've got a little bit of a system going. Alex is dropping stuff off here, and then I'm bringing them inside instead of us, like, you know, I can be gumbootless. Cool. This basket that I love using for laundry, so I just boxed some stuff up in here, and it actually was able to come in this basket, which is nice. We saved on some boxes, but I'm very excited for this one because I just realized that I sent over all of my bread baking stuff in this one. I can't tell you guys how much I have been looking forward to baking bread, my bread baskets and stuff. Oh my God. I just really haven't had the time or the supplies to bake bread, and now I have everything I need. I'm so excited. Oh my God, this is Christmas. The best Christmas presents ever to myself. My past self gifting my present self for Christmas. There's nothing better. I'm so happy. This is the moment.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
The best Christmas gift ever.
All the live long day.
Oh!
Yeah, it's here.
There's a little bit of rain on the corner of it, but that's okay. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Days I have been in nesting mode, and honestly I haven't really been vlogging it at all because I've just kind of needed to live it. I needed to like be fully present and set and sort of like mindful. As you can tell, our bed is set up with the headboard, so exciting times. We have had some pretty great sleep over the last couple of nights. Alex is outside splitting wood. It's the summer here, but you always just kind of have to be prepping for the winter ahead of time, because that was actually wood, if you remember from earlier on in the vlogs, a tree fell in the road during a big storm our first week living here in September. So we grabbed the logs when the tree fell and we brought them into our garage, and they've just been sitting in the garage. And if we split them and let them dry over the summer, then we can start using that dry wood in the colder months. I'm just doing a little bit of makeup right now. I've just been kind of like, honestly, not really wearing makeup very often at all, but I've just kind of like run out of makeup too, to be honest. I have some in the boxes that we brought over, but I just like don't know if the makeup's even good anymore. I just haven't like bought anything in a while. I've spent the last couple of days setting up the house to a certain extent. Obviously there's tons more to do. I'll show you guys around today and show you what we've set up so far. I just pulled from the garden. And I just washed it, and then I like to just put it in a towel and just dry it like that, and then throw it back in to the salad bowl. And got a little extra water down at the bottom there that I don't want in there. And then we have this leftover veg, roasted veggies, like parsnip and carrots and some potato. What else? Oh, some squash from the garden and maybe some zucchini too. We made dinner for our friends last night, and that's what this roasted veg is left over from. And it was so nice to have people over. We just had such a good time hosting because we haven't been able to host, and we love making dinner for people. We love cooking in general, and being able to cook for other people is really nice. And when you haven't had people in your home because you've been renovating for so long, it was just so nice. And of course, not everything's done, and 2 of our bedrooms, like I said earlier, are just like totally in shambles, but like the living room feels right, the kitchen feels right, you know, there's still stuff we want to do. And I think it's easy to not have people over if you're not like done, you know, because we're not done, we're nowhere near done with decorating or even renovating or anything like that. But if we just kept pushing back to when we were done, it would be like a year or years maybe. So it's just like, have people over. We just had to wait till at least we had a couch and like stuff like that, because before there was just like nowhere to sit. It was pretty bad. All right, so we've got the lettuce, we've got the roasted veg. As you guys know, I added some bean sprouts, and I also added some pumpkin seed, and some goji berry is in there as well. I'm using olive oil and this black balsamic raspberry drizzle that I've shown you guys before in previous videos. I put it in the fridge, or somebody put it in the fridge, I don't know. And it's really not supposed to be in the fridge, it's better left out from what I think. Just the consistency seems better, so, but it still works, no problem. And then I did the salt and pepper. This looks really good. Are you taking a nap under the apple tree? That looks nice. That looks very nice and cozy and shady. When sheep are happy, cozy, content, relaxed, they kind of like regurgitate their grass into their mouth and they chew on it. I think it's called cud, when they're chewing their cud. So that's what he's got right now in his mouth. He's just like chewing on regurgitated grass. Huh. You just chewing on your own grass that you already ate? That came out of this big wool belly? Yeah? Is it good? Is he happy? He looks happy. He looks relaxed under the apple tree. You loving life? Oh, yes, you just love a good scratch. Don't you love a good scratch? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, did I hit the spot? Did I hit the spot? Yum. Are you enjoying? Life is good, eh? Under the apple tree.
Might just take a nap here with you.